Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has now reacted to the support area. The last bounce, as you can see here from yesterday, ended as a clear, crystal clear, three-wave rally. We now have a bit more of an impulsive looking increase. That's not enough for evidence that wave 2 is bottomed, but it looks promising. Remember that, or please note that at the moment on the smaller time frames, there's just a lot of volatility. And also due to the distortions generated by the Trump coin, there's the smallest micro patterns. You might see some distortions, okay, that would not have appeared maybe without that catalyst. But overall, broadly, all the outlooks are still unchanged, for most coins at least. Especially meme coins are suffering at the moment, I think, with the exception of Trump. But yeah, overall here on the Ethereum chart, I mean, the idea was we have a 5-wave move up from that 13th of January low. Thesis is at the moment that a substantial low formed there. That's going to be my viewpoint as long as the market doesn't break and sustain below $3,034. This here is a key support area. We're just tracking at the moment whether the market is already turning around. This is sort of the first convincing reversal signal that we've seen from when the market started its decline early December. And of course it could fail. If it fails, then the market will just test the lower levels in this larger support area. 2,923, 2,698 and 2,407, then in a possible larger wave B. So, but at the moment the idea is that wave B bottomed here on the 13th of January, therefore I'm watching for higher. If the third wave starts from here, for which again I don't have any evidence yet other than a few green candles, but it looks like it's only a 3-wave move up so far. It needs another 4-5 pattern internally there, and then we can track this like a wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5. But so far this move up looks just like a 3-wave move up. So we'll see if the market forms a 5-wave move today. That could be wave 1, and again the next indication that a low has formed in circle wave 2. Alright, but then if wave 2 bottomed, then circle wave 3 should take us, I'd say normally at least the 138% extension, which is located at 3,976 or higher. Okay, and ideally after the first initial 5-wave move up, we see a 3-wave pullback. But again, this is just really a short-term view now, perspective. Really short-term volatility here, but it could be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all it needs, like one more high, right? I mean, so like that. And again, that's just a 15-minute chart, so it's not reliable, but that would be the next, that would actually be the first indication a low has formed, because a 3-wave rally is nothing but 5 waves from a key support area, especially a Fib level. I mean, it reacted perfectly to this Fibonacci level here. Let's zoom out a little bit. It is the 61.8 retracement, one of the most important Fibonacci levels, right? So yeah, I think the focus now needs to be on whether the market can generate a 5th wave. I mean, that can happen really at any point, but only on the shorter time frame, so it's not very reliable. If we can then see the market hold a higher low in the pullback, it might take us into the blue box. And then we'll take it from there. Then we'll watch for wave 4, and you know the routine, right? Also, a break above that B wave high located at 3,527. That's the Friday high, would be further evidence for a upside breakout. So that's just a quick update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.